Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. Tonight we've got Chimi burgers on the Oklahoma Joe Firecraft. Triple M said, we already have a Chimi video. And I said, not an Oklahoma Joe. So this is a different recipe, a little backstory to this. We live in Jacksonville and there's no Chimi here. So for us to get a Chimi burger, we've got to go to Orlando or Tampa. Drew, Andy, my brother, sent me a video of the original Chimis that were made with Argentinian chorizos. So that's what we're gonna make today. What do we need? You need this, Mr. Tango Argentina. They do have a spicy one, picante, but Triple M would lose her cool if we got picante. So if it was me, I would do the picante one. But get the Mr. Tango. Jimmy B, go get the Mr. Tango. You're supposed to have cabbage, but we're doing a cheater method. This is a simple cheater method. So cabbage, but we're using cabbage. We're using a coleslaw mix. Green tomatoes. Yes, for the folks who don't like tomatoes, we're using green tomatoes. Sliced onions, mayonnaise, ketchup, and pan de agua. But we were at Sam's getting this, so we got the bread.
Closest to the pan de agua I can find.
We're gonna get this ready. It should be really quick. It's gonna take us longer to get the grill warmed up than this. But we're gonna get this ready. First things first, take the sausage out of the casing. Then combine them so that you have one patty. And then form it to the shape you're after.
Yeah, because there's some round buns too, so.
How's that? Is that the shape we're after?
Yeah, that's good.
So I'll finish forming the patties and then we'll go outside on the Joe to get them grilled up. 2 down, 16 more to go. Get this wrapped up. I'm doing this all opposite because people are watching me. I got Toby in the kitchen and it's getting me nervous. Patties are formed, bread is sliced. We are gonna toast the bread and we're going to the grill. We got the Oklahoma Joe going, and I just put the wood chips in there, so now we're gonna get some smoke flavor in there. But a traditional Chimi is on over the fire, not a parrilla, not on a griddle, over the fire. So I'm gonna get these on here. I'm probably gonna go 1 minute aside. Hopefully, that's the plan. Be right back. 2 minutes have passed, time to flip. How's that color, sweetheart?
Good.
And you got the char marks.
I know. That's a real Chimi. Oh.
We'll go 2 more minutes on this side. It's time to take them off, guys. Look at the color on there. And how's it smell, Triple M?
Oh, delicious.
Look at that color. Now, toast some bread. Don't forget to toast your bread, guys. This should take literally a few seconds, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh.
That's it for the bread. Back inside, time to build. I think I'll build mine. Or should I do Triple M's? I'm doing it right here, because we're not gonna be shy. Yes? So bread, not that one. This is the prettiest one. No, esta. This one.
Yeah, that's the prettiest one.
Then some cabbage.
A lot of cabbage. Oh my
Then 1 or 2 tomatoes. And because we're gonna be bougie around here, some Himalayan sea salt. We gotta season our tomatoes. Some onions. Some more onions. And then,
Mayo and ketchup.
or Alicia says mayo chew.
Mayo ketchup.
Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Hold on, we'll fix this. We'll get this creative. And then, got you. Mayonnaise. Good? Is that good? Mm-hmm. So, when I was growing up, Mom would go to DR all the time. And anyone that would go to DR, she'd always bring back a chimney for me. And I'd eat it when they came home. This is before microwaves. This is before any of that fancy stuff. The flight, I don't care. I didn't even ask how long the flight was, but I know when I got home, it'd go down. So Drew, thank you for pointing us to that beautiful Mr. Tango sausage. Mm-hmm. And we'll see what this is all about. On the grill. I almost lost it.
Oh my gosh. That's huge.
It's okay.
Oh.
And I wasn't hungry. Está mortal.
I know.
Bang. The sausage has a little tang to it. The mayonnaise, the cabbage is all fresh. The Himalayan sea salt, bougie.
Hi.
Don't be shy. I think we all know Triple M is not shy. She loves Chimis. Different La Paria, right?
Josh. That's a Dominican chimi.
Wait.
What?
What, are you gonna finish my sandwich? Wait. Guys, if you like the video, like the video. Comment down below if anything you want to try and make. Subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
see you guys next Friday. Babe, that's mine.
Oh, God.
Bye guys, see you next Friday.